Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Scooby, your little secret will be revealed tonight.
When Francesco is away from home, he misses his mama. Just like you miss your tow truck.
Let's go together. We'll go out to the crosswalks and guide the children as they cross the street.
What did I tell you about talking to the accused?
To not do.
Well, quit your yap.
Each historical for today's great test of speed. Our finish line will be.
Tiger is.
What?
There's something that I don't like. I gotta say it.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Take my way. That's the highway. That's the way.
Mater, I don't know what you're doing, but stand down now.
This ain't nothing.
Not the only one seeing this, right? Incoming! Whoa, no.
He's done!
Done? It's only been an hour.
Esos no son faros. ¡Son tubos de escape!
Ooh, Red, you missed a spot. Sure, right there. In the hood, right there.
Still working on that. And the best fitness regimen anyone could possibly imagine.
Wait.
They're so mean. It took me forever to collect everything. Huh?
Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
Mater, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
What?
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! My queen is very sad. I will...
Hello, Face! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
Thanks, guys. Nice pay.
Will change your mind? Hit it! First, I'm gonna loosen up these ancient joints.
you actually care about that race car. A pity you didn't warn him in time.
Just me and the old man, fellas.
The Queen just doesn't have it today.
La 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 la. Wow, wow, wow.
Welcome back. You look different.
Obviously.
You look ready.
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this. Oh, hey there, champ. I heard you're selling mud flaps after today. Is that true? Hey, you put me down.
What's going on, ladies? Alrighty now, let's have us a little look.
Luigi, this new road makes your place look like a dump.
That crazy old devil.
What just happened?